Welcome to CondoLogy.
I am CondoBot. Let me show you how CondoLogy works in a few clicks. CondoLogy is an application used for the administration of apartments, commonly called condos. This application is very easy to use and contains a multitude of automated financial calculations and functionalities to be able to support our administrators in preserving the common good. CondoLogy offers a complete support mode with a pictorial user procedure manual, a YouTube channel with a presentation in chronological viewing order to simplify use. Possible constant communication is always available with CondoBot. CondoLogy is increasingly equipped with AI, artificial intelligence, to support administrators. But human technical support is also available. Firstly, we have a summary which displays in images the real-time financial situation of the condominium and displays the forms from the different departments. Now, if we take a look inside the first form, which is the description of the condominium, we will be able to complete this form and enter a multitude of details which make up the description of our condominium. Here are the sections of this form. I would like to warn you that all the visible information in these forms is fictitious. We start with the name of the condominium, the description of the condominium insurance, the history of claims, the managers, the board of directors in office, the detailed parameters of the condominium, details of the common areas, the assets of the condominium, and the archives of previous administrations. This complete description will help us to be able to calculate the contributions of the co-owners. We have a form for the budget items that make up the building. CondoLogy contains a multitude of budget items which are used to build a budget, but also administrators will have the possibility of using a multitude of unused budget items to go into more detail in their administration. Here are the sections of the budget items. To begin, details on the item, the breakdown of the redistribution, the section of the breakdown of payments, the information sheet, the section of the contingency fund, and the maintenance log. Several reports in particular display a specific administration mode. The register of condominium is the list of co-owners of the condominium, and from this form, we will be able to administer contributions, annual contributions, and special contributions. Here are the sections of the register: management of the unit, breakdown of results, breakdown of transactions, history of the unit, co-owners, details of the private unit, insurance section of the co-owner, details of contributions, details if the unit is rented, the agents section, details of common areas with restricted uses. Interlink with the others, this form has a multitude of automations. The register of complaints. Indeed, in the condominium, there are complaints which are to be managed by the board of directors. This form contains an email communication module which helps us to administer complaints made by co-owners. Here are the sections of the complaints register: the administration section, the steps taken section, complaint section, the form that must be completed. The board activity register is very important because it helps us to build a history of activities, to produce documents with or without models, to manage future submissions, and above all, to keep a log of minutes for the activities that the board of directors will have carried out throughout these years of administration. Here are the sections of the register: the activity section, the document production section, the bidders section, and the signatures and voting section. Then, we have a register of contractors. Of course, services must be provided to the condominium and supported from the contractors. Therefore, CondoLogy offers the possibility of creating a bank of contractors through different interrelated forms and of communicating directly with them manually or completely automatically. Here are the sections of the register: contractor details and conditions of services. In many condominium, there is only one syndicate or board of directors. On the other hand, we also have condominium, which work with syndicates or affiliated boards of directors. This means that a condominium is not necessarily equal to a single syndicate in a condominium complex. There can be a multitude of syndicates. CondoLogy is made to take care of that. Here are the sections of the Register of Syndicates. Details about the syndicate, management of the syndicate, contributions, breakdown of payments and breakdown of transactions. CondoLogy is programmed for simple use by condominium administrators. This creates an administration that is transparent in order to repel the creation of any potential conflicts. Looking forward to working together. I am CondoBot.